Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox rest of the L case which we bought. So let me just showcase you what we are going to unbox this week. Let's start with this one. So this is the Lotus Cortina. This is new for this particular, new for 2025. So this looks cute. This is compact. Okay, this comes under Compact Kings. We unboxed at Honda also, which is the treasure hunt. That also comes under Compact Kings. I don't know why they are not giving any detailing for this kind of castings. Let's see. And here is the Ford Mustang Dark Cars. I really don't like this particular version compared to the one which we unboxed originally, that blue with black. That was amazing and it had all the details, but I want to see how this one actually looks. And this one I really liked. I don't know, for some reason I like this. So this is a Ford Escort. Let me see how, we need to see how this one looks. That feels a bit heavy. And so this is one of my personal favorite, the Buick Riviera. And we do have a Buick Riviera. I don't know where I put it. So that is by my store. I don't know which box I put it. It is there. And I do have one more, I guess, which I unboxed long back. Okay, so here's another one. So this is the STH of this particular case, but unfortunately this is not the STH, the Bugatti EB110 SS. Yeah, that is not STH. Okay. So I was I was thinking magically it would appear as STH. Okay. So okay, last but not least, a Ferrari 365 GT B4 Comfort Zone. And okay, so we are going to unbox all these cars and see how this one looks. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.